Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to take a look at a strange blue substance on the red planet. That would be planet Mars. We're going to take a look at that here in just a moment. I've also got a brand new photo slideshow to share with you guys. New sky phenomena sent in from all around the world. First, we're here at the Ghost 16 looking at the severe weather over the Midwest. It is coming as the model suggested, and it looks like it's coming in hot and fast. So if you guys are in the Midwest, look for the possibility of nocturnal tornadoes tonight. These storms are very strong, as this atmospheric anomaly, if you will, is quite impressive, and it definitely has the mechanics. The warm air colliding with the cold air, and you can actually see the cold air coming down. And in the grand scheme of things, just remember this: cold air is boss. So when cold air moves in, you're going to have that clash like we spoke of in the video, a clash of the titans, and it spawns severe weather right along that line where the warm and cold air meet. So that's what's going on. Classic scenario, and we could see some rare January tornadoes from these storms right here you're looking at on radar. Before we get to the unknown blue substance on the surface of Mars, a quick word from our sponsor. Hey guys, we're here at NobleGoldInvestments.com. Did you know your assets are not yours when times get tough? The Wall Street Journal recently reported on 2 hedge funds that are in big trouble. These funds look after billions of dollars of their clients' money, but these same funds are refusing to let their investors have their money back. This will be happening more and more in the future as things begin to implode. Where are your savings? Do you have to ask permission to get them back? If you don't have control of your money when things get tough, you could be in trouble. Noble Gold has the answer. A precious metal IRA with Noble Gold will let you have real hands-on assets that are always yours. Not some piece of paper, not excuses, and not promises. Precious metals returns are set to explode over the next 5 years. So get in touch with Noble Gold and discover how you can keep your money safe for when you need it. Give them a call at 877-646-5347. Go to NobleGoldInvestments.com. Let them know that Mr. MBB333 sent you. Also, click on the link below and you'll get a free gold and silver investment guide. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys, here we go. Headed to the surface of Mars via Google Mars. Here is the strange blue substance. And you can see whatever this is, it's definitely not red or orange like the color of the surface of Mars. It does have a liquid personality. It looks like it's pouring out of some sort of a crater that was formed inside of a crater. And if you look at this very closely, you can see what looks like some sort of a indentation right here. It's almost like something collided with Mars, pushed out this blue liquid, whatever it may be, and I've looked around the area and there's not anything even remotely close to what we're looking at here anywhere on Mars. And by the way, this is down around the South Pole, right down in here. I'll give you the exact coordinates here in just a second. But I've looked around. Obviously, I haven't looked at every square centimeter, but there's nothing like this anywhere that I could see. And it's almost 1.5 miles wide. This is not small by any stretch of the imagination. Look at that. 1.41 miles wide, just over a mile. So 1.5 miles by mile. That's pretty good size for whatever this may be. And I've taken a few screenshots and made some light modifications and color modifications. Here's one that's completely inverted, light to dark, and dark equals light. And you can see there is a shadow inside what looks like a crater inside of a crater. So I don't know if something, like I said, impacted Mars at some point in time, making this blue stuff, whatever it may be. Doesn't necessarily look like water, even though we do have what looks like blue water on the surface of the Earth, even though it's not technically blue. This definitely looks like a blue substance. I'm not so sure that it's water, but I have no idea what it could possibly be because, like I said earlier, I couldn't find it anywhere else on the surface of Mars. The coordinates for this strange blue surface anomaly on Mars is right here: 703926 south, 482921 east. very close to the South Pole. So don't have any idea what's going on there, guys. That was sent in by our friend Andre. Thank you, Andre. Greatly appreciate it. New sky phenomena photos I want to share with you guys, and I'm working on many, many more. Brandon out of Munford, Alabama, where they could see severe weather tomorrow. Beautiful pink, purple, orange skies. Quite a bit going on. There's going to be quite a bit more going on. Kingston, Oklahoma. This is probably what the skies look like right now as I do this video. Picture sent in by Linda S. This is from several days ago. Texas, Henning K. Big beams coming up over the horizon near the Dallas area, I believe. Saskatchewan, Canada. Keith, that's about as apocalyptic as it can get. Unbelievable photo out of Canada. Cocoa Beach, Florida. Photos here sent in by Dan from Cocoa Beach. Been there many times, and I never saw the sky look quite like this. Incredible photos sent in from Florida. Lonnie L. out of Anderson, California. Beautiful sunset. Photo here sent in by Maggie M. And what we're looking at is that dual sun phenomena. And more than likely this is caused by the dual pane windows on the jet airplane, causing what appears to be a second sun. Phoenix, Arizona. Mark G. Got some sort of a strange orange cloud up here with some beams coming up over the mountain. Here we've got that split sky phenomenon. He noticed right out here. Thanks for sharing. Got some unique clouds here high in the sky above central Arizona, south central. Another photo from Mark out of Phoenix. Bright pinks and blues and light purples. And then we go to orange and sunbeams. Just a lot of spectacular skies lately. West New York, Matt B. That's a big halo around the moon. More big orange beams in the sky. Look at this here out of South Africa. Maverick 69. Looks like a volcano erupting with light. Just incredible. Patrick B. out of Peoria, Arizona. Big oval up in the sky, much like this one here out of Moses Lake, Washington. Same exact thing sent in by Sage R. Unbelievable. New Zealand, speaking of unbelievable, smoke traveling 1,300 miles to the North Island of New Zealand. Photos sent in by Paul, taken on January the 5th. That is smoke from Australia, making the skies look like there's wildfires in New Zealand. Randall from New Mexico took a photo of a big high-arching rainbow, and then underneath the rainbow, he captured what looks like Aurora Borealis underneath the rainbow in New Mexico. Puerto Rico, Musafiri, very colorful cloud high in the sky above Puerto Rico, just exactly like the one Roxana spotted high in the sky above Romania. Big, colorful-looking cloud, looked like a mothership parked up there. Canberra, Australia, Swifty. Big dark beams coming out from behind a cloud that's blocking the sun. Great photograph out of Australia. This one's out of Australia. The sun tucked behind some smoke-filled skies. Tin Baylor out of Sydney also sent this one here that looks like an angel cloud up in the sky. Just incredible. Cindy, Michigan. Got a good picture of the moon as a jet flew right into the photograph as she was photoing the full moon. And last but certainly not least, Crystal River, Florida. Photos taken by Joni Mama of, I'm assuming, the sunrise. Truly spectacular. Other people were down there taking photos of this very awesome sky phenomenon as well. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. Once again, if you're in the central United States, make sure you have your alerts turned on your phones for tonight. There could possibly be some nocturnal tornadoes. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery at the website. Sometimes I use the photos in a picture slideshow, just like you saw right here. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.